So the Mini Cooper, we're in a CAS 3 module. What are we looking at, guys? The key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, those are our actual key slots that refer to a particular physical key, and that key has an ID. That's a key ID. Now, when I got the use CAS module, it already had 3 keys associated with it: key 1, key 2, and key 3. And what I did was I used that EEPROM file to disable the key. And every time I disable the key under the enable disable status, it would prompt me to save the file. So I just go ahead and save the file. Then I reload that save file to disable key number 2. It prompted to save the file. I saved the file, and then I reloaded that same file to disable key 3. And then once all the keys were disabled, then I went ahead and I created key 4. Now, I used a new key to create key 4, and it gives you an option. Either do you want to use the ISN or do you want to use an existing key? Well, I previously pulled the ISN from the main computer, the ECU module, PCM module. Once I obtained that ISN, I was able to generate key 4 using the ISN. And then again, it prompted me to save the file. I saved the file. Now for key 5, I just wanted to test that key 4 was active according to the software. So when I created key 5, I didn't create it using the ISN. I created using an existing working key. So key 5 was created from key 4. And then once I had key 5 created, then I saved the file again, because every time you do an operation with the key, it prompts you to save the file. Once I had key 1 through key 3 deleted and new keys 4 and 5 added, it was that final file that I saved back to the CAS under the EEPROM. So that's how it was created. So that's what generate dealer key means, is that you're gonna take the EEPROM data file and use that along with either a working key or the ISN to generate a key, and then that new information is going to be saved as a file, and that's the file that you have to restore back to the CAS. And this is specific just for BMW CAS. You know, I'm only working, actually I only work minis, but BMW, it's the same software. So just give you understanding. Now that OL15Y, that's the actual chip type. You see that OL15Y? That OL15Y, if you look at the actual chip on the CAS, you'll see OL15Y. I think that's just the chip type, and there's 3 of them, and that you have to make sure you select the correct chip type. So that's how that works there.